Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a VPN on your Android phone without using the Play Store. This is helpful if the Play Store is blocked in your country or if you prefer to install apps in another way. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. The easiest way is to download the VPN app directly from the official website as an APK file. On some phones, when you go to the NordVPN website and choose Android, it may only give you a Play Store link. If that happens, open the site from a desktop or laptop browser instead. Log into your NordVPN account there, go to the Download section, select Android, and you will see the APK file option. Download it to your computer and then transfer it to your phone using a USB cable, email, or cloud storage. Before installing, you need to allow your phone to install apps from outside the Play Store. Go to Settings, search for Install Unknown Apps. Select the app you will use to open the APK and turn on Allow from this source. Then find the APK file on your phone, tap it, and follow the prompts to install. Once installed, open NordVPN, log in, and connect to the server you want. Your connection will now be protected without using the Play Store at all. If you prefer not to install the app, you can also set up NordVPN manually from the VPN settings in your phone. Use the server details from the manual setup section of your NordVPN account. This way, you can add NordVPN to your Android phone without relying on the Play Store and still enjoy its privacy and speed. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your Android device secure wherever you are.